Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can get rid of thumbs up on Messenger. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Messenger app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, you'll be in this particular platform. So let's say I want to change, get rid of this thumbs up like this. If I send, it will be like this. So how I can change this, I'm gonna go to the profile of this person and then go to this quick reaction just below theme, and then you can choose any other from here. So let me just go with, let's say I'm gonna go with something like this, and now you can see there is no thumbs up. So this is how you do it. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.